Online customer engagement contents. How can you increase customer engagement online? 3. Why customer engagement is key to your success? 3. The keeps up customer engagement goals. 4. How to improve your online customer engagement. 5. What content will engage the different type of consumer audience. 6. Discover the video content your competition is using to use and engage customer. 7. 3. Way to increase your customer engagement. 8. Focus on right changes to optimizing online customer engagement. 9. Fixing the gap between customer need and delivery by protecting customer satisfaction. 9. Goal. Exemplify of brand marketing that engage your customer. 10. 4. Way to improve your online customer engagement. 11. Does your content need more personality? 12. Creating integrated communication life cycle that engage your customer. 13. Follow there's 5 tips to test whether you are successful engaging your customer. 14. The value of like and share in engaging your customer. 15. How to engage your customer with holiday marketing. 16. Online customer engagement wins you need. Insight on your customer. 17. How one's company use viral video to engagement customer at minimal cost. 18. How to make sure engage your customer and give them a valuable experience. 18.3. Key way to engage your customer online. 19. How you can increase customer engagement online. Small business will often rely on their website for consumer to find them. So this is your opportunity to make good impression with potential idea to returning customer. Therefore, you want to make sure that site keep your visitor engaging and interested. There are few brands that are not aware of the importance of being engaging on the web, but similarly, company often don't believe they have to resource of time to be updating their website on a more continuous basis with fresh and new content. So what many small businesses do is create a Facebook page and forget the website. There is no question that Facebook and another social media outlet are an excellent place to begin, but if you want to gain the trust of your customer, you need a website. It really is that important because it shows that you have a company that is established. You want to make sure that your website experience will match your customer service experience. Be, be live in a world that is increasingly mobile, and so consumer expect the same shopping experience online as they would get in your store. Therefore, it is a good idea to offer a seamless customer experience such as providing depth details on your product, service, purchasing information, easy contract, and a way for customer to quick reach your search live chat. You should also personalize your site in ways that work for your business. Enhance your customer experience by tailoring your site to their need. Don't use flashy gimmicks. Use big data analysis to learn what is your customer is looking for when the arriving at your site, and then create experience that pleasing them. Make sure you are using social media as a tool to communicate and engage with your customer online. Social media's role has changed a lot in the last few years. Not only it is way to share and promote your content from a site, it can be a extends in your customer service, a quick and easy way for your customer to contact and connect with you. You can also reach your customer quickly in a very cost effective way that cost only penny for customer. Engaging your customer online is no longer a novelty, something you can think about offering. It is what consumer want, and if you are not providing it, you need to expect that they will look elsewhere. Why customer engagement is key to your success? Customer engagement focus on your encouraging your customer to share and interact with your company staff. It encourages them to share their experience, and in return what you create for them is your brand. When you execute this bill, you will develop a solid customer engagement strategy that will promote loyalty and growth. Those companies that focus on customer engagement focus on value creation rather than on extracting revenue. There is company are well aware of how to engage their customer online. They know how to provide them with real value, whether they offer in superior end-to-end experience for their customer, expectational content with a website based possible customer support and service. What they are doing is making sure that delivery more than just your typical sales. Incorporating this customer engagement strategy can be health for your business. Remember, happy customer are the life of your business. Obsess over the customer, it is necessary to success. It being with the culture you establish for the company and making sure that your support team is at the formalities to make sure your customers are happy and their needed addressed. Your entry company from top of bottom need to share at the providing amazing customer experience is necessary for the key to your company success. Think about how your company model can service your customer in the best way possible. What is it your customer need from your end when you do customer need you? What your should you be available? Do you offer a seamless process for your customers? Your customer experience allows you to offer you way to increase your customer satisfaction and loyalty, which in turn lead to them advocating for you. Your company grow because you have a happy customer. Companies that miss this metric around of the while they will eventually fall, falter. The much more difficult to continue build new customer that is to keep your current customer engaging and happy and waiting to return to buy more product from you. Companies that actually value their customer and work hard at engaging the one big company and they are far more likely to be here decided to two from now. Your customer is lifeboat of your business, and it is important to ensure that all of your employees treat your customer with the importance that may desire. What interesting and engaging relationship one can build with their employees. The KPIs and customer engagement in goals. Customer engagement is often overlooked, yet every company should have this KPIs and customer engagement goal set. So, what should that look like? ROI or return on investment key to every business, and RO which is the return is top two. What once see is good return of their investing is personal and it is definitely by the company and the shareholder or by management. You need to make sure that you define this. You do not need to make sure that all director and commercial direction, but it is a good idea if it tie back to your commercial venue. It is easy to make sure that your commercial goal or link it to your marketing KPIs of or your customer engagement by simply developing your one metrics. You can use the approach so that people from varying level each their one perceived within company can see the value of having retention program or customer engagement or program. For example, look at the referral of your product to friends vs a customer who makes three their third or fourth purchase. Both of this matter. Both of this link it to the traffic on your website. As a result, you can easily tie them both to sales. For the repeat customer, it is clearly visible that their lifetime value just as there is of new customers. So when it comes to new BS return visitor, Google Analytics is an excellent tool for marketers who are trying to establish commercial goals and need to see if those goals have been met. You will be able to easily see where the customer engagement takes place and the direct relationship is built. For example, you could see that Facebook, which is generally customer oriented, is where you had your first customer engagement. You might have a customer group on website. You might have a customer forum. Your goal is to find the simplest way to judge customer engagement. With social media use grow to exponential ratio, it is key to amplify your message. When you engage your customer on some level, you can look at just how well your content message is resonating to your audience. Sales are your end goal. However, before the sales, the KPIs can make things more manageable for those on the front line, and it will certainly make it more meaningful. How to improve your online customer engagement? If your goal is to improve your online customer engagement, there are a number of things you can do. One of the main thing you should consider is how simplistic your store is. You achieve simplicity by focusing on your customer resource, those resources that they have the least of or what you should be focused on. For example, for some it might be mental effort, for others it might be time, and for still other it might be the overall shopping experience. If you are able to simply existing customer routine, you are much more likely to have them engage. In fact, if you just remove the distraction, you will have the made great strategy in improve the simplicity of your city site and make your customer happy and more likely to engage. Consumer look for shortcut to each reach their goals. For your customer, it is important to discover unique value and then find the shortest way to get the unique value. When you highlighting things that help your customer find the shortest path to get what they want, they are much more likely to be interested in making the purchase. You will have a very engaging customer when you have one that sees a simple way to get what they want from your site. You need to be always meeting the expectation from your customer. In fact, it is your five way to enjoy customer engagement online. You can meet your customer expectations by increasing your product service relevance and communication. You achieve product relevance by providing testimonial review and completed instruction on using your product service. You need to have a open line of communication with your customer so that they can quickly get their questions answered. Online live chat is one way to accomplish this. You should offer as many lines as communication as possible, including email, live chat, telephone, social media, etc. Make it convenient for your customer to get contact with you. You also need to make sure that you focus on creating the right channel with the right message at that right time for your customer first step. Because if you miss them on the first step, they become your competition's customer, not yours. All of your customers will have their one reference preference. Some will like social media, some will like email, others will like a follow up call from you. It is good idea to test your customer market before you choose. Customer engaging is key to success of your business. Being able to engage customer online has made it easier in many ways, but has also completed the situation too. What content will engage the customer type of consumer audience? Engagement in the world of consuming, it may make world go round. So what type of content or offer do you engage in to keep the different types of audience happy? Good question. Capturing data and then using that data make sound choose is how you're going to customize the content for your audience. When you are able to understand your consumer needs, intent and past purchasing history, you can leverage that information to engage and remarket that to that audience. You can easily achieve the because now you really to speak to their need. How you do this will depending on what kind of company you are, what resource you have available and what your budget looks like. At, at the root of this strategy is useful content that is on top and allow you to show continuous relevance to the consumer who are purchasing specific product from you. Through your consumer engaging, you should be getting an indication of what motivated the consumer, and then you should be diligently working at helpful to solve their issue. Blogs are the good way to have all of the information centralized. If if you create a content hub and then you can repurpose the same content to Twitter, Facebook, Google, Instagram, Tumblr, and the list goes on. You can use many of these social media outlets as you feel you will benefit from. All, all provider you with additional opportunity to reach your audience and reconnect and schedule email communication to your program that promote brand recognition. Recognition. When you offer it for useful that your consumer find valuable, they are more respective and sharing your message. It keep your product on the front line online, and good branding means your product has the potential to grow into being household name. The approach means that you can address the need of many different audience type that you have. You can keep each engage something of value of them. So there is no need to lose any your audience. This approach also provided the opportunity to re-promote your product service the right way and the appropriate time which add value. When you are engaging your affirm the relevance of what you have to offer. In that way, it is right side of marketing because it has inbound efforts rather than an interpretive outbound effort. This is how you engage your different type of consumer audience and keep them happy along with keeping your company is bottom line happy. Video content your competition is using to engaging customer. Typical marketing agency benefit by using tools that allow them to see what to competition what their silent area up to. From the result they find, they will then create their own campaign. It saves them time. They can use what already providing to be working or not working within the industry. You now can take advantage of tools available to you find this information out yourself. Whether your company is small or medium in size, you will find these tools to compare video marketing campaign extremely helpful. You can download the result into Excel spreadsheet of easy use. Never has to been easy to see how your competition is engaging customer with videos. Revolo Fox hit the market in 2013. It is offered on demand and competitor analysis using the algorithm that collect a result in hundreds of different competitor KPIs. It is collection information from all the social media venues in the real time. You can engage in the pure statistic to measure the success of your competitions, video camping, or you can invest in UG testing to really understand what your customer area is saying about the competition website and the video poster. You get a 14-day trial period and then cost range from $49 to $299 depending on the number of users. Unreal is another software tool that you can turn to. You will find larger companies like Addis, HB, Avianci or Unreal clients or use analysts from OneAd. Earning by the paid media using Unreal analysis, you can use the benchmark audition or the campaign audition. With the latter, you can access the performance of each campaign and measure the success of this campaign at engaging customer. You can also look at your one video and KPIs along with the competitions with create the parameters that will measure success. You also choose if you want to bundle video together. You can identify trend and look at social media events where the biggest effect is being seen. Once you have the information, you need to create your marketing strategy and decide how you are going to engage your customer. This does not mean should run out the copy what your competition has done, but it does mean you can find things that work and you will be able to emulate the success of your competitions. 3 way to increase your customer engagement. Customer engagement is a critical components in building a strong customer bases. 3 way to increase your customer engagement including clustering content and copy. Let's have a detailed look at each clustering. Anytime you can add a Dodge retail to online shopping experience, it is desirable. What I mean by this being able to create the same type of experience that you customer would get from being in your store. When your cluster when your cluster product together that you might not necessarily find sitting together in a store or in website navigation, it is a method you can use to add a human feel to your website merchandise. And reminder, you must never forget about cross selling. You 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 want to encourage people to see wholesale rather than pieces. For example, within cloth, you want your customer to see an outfit rather than an individual pieces. Content. We find consumer content trend to collide. What we are talking about is content that is additional to the description that desirable your product or service. Your content marketing should be related to your product service and is often referred to as lifestyle content. For example, food providers often will offer recipes. Clothing merchants will often provide tips on various ways to wear different pieces of clothing. Teach merchants will often provide information on the website design or content, etc. You get picture. you are going to first do an excellent job or describing your product, service, or sales, and then you are also going to provide value add content that your customer will want to read. This will need to be updated on the regular basis to keep it fresh and have a customer returning. Remember, your content can be used to provide information on how to make the best use out of your product and thus help to increase sales. Copy. When it when it comes to selling your product or service, you should always be selling the benefit, not the features of the product. Make sure to include CEO benefit and to keep it light and add some fun. It is appropriate, which it won't always be. It is important to know your audience and provide copy that you work them. The better you know your audience, the better you will at doing a great job of this, and you will be rewarded by repeated customer to your site and increase in repeat sales. Put three practice into play sooner rather than later. Focus on the right channel to optimize online customer engagement. Establishing the right channel for your business to excel in online customer engagement involves having the right message at the right time for each customer segment. Customers like to engage in different ways. Some prefer social media channel like Facebook while others prefer email. Test your market and determine that what will work best for your customer. Check out the suggestion, they have been known to work very well. 1. Become the authority figure for your product service in your business. Bring your expertise out in the open so that your customer can clearly see your expert. Offer free advice through your website, social media, or another company website. In today's market, the only way you can establish that you are not an authority figure is to offer something of value to your customer. This type of engagement increases your authority while interaction with no value will lower your authority's image. 2. Supporting a customer community is a good way to establish group of buyer. The best way for actually engage your customer online is have open channel that you flow back to your business. Provided access to product design and your shopping manager, your products production team, etc., all of which can offer insight into the how and why of the way things work. This is generally deeply engaging to your customers. You can even provide us how we get things done video that work customer through the steps. This type of engagement increasing customer loyalty. 3. If you can offer your customer some type of game-like experience, this can be really hit. Visitors love to compete and they like to have a unique shopping experience. So create a contest that has a number of different milestones so the customer stick with it. Offer a draw for something free weekly. There are many different consumer types game and contest that you can offer. Whatever you come up with, make sure it fit your customer profit. This can excellent method to engage your customers. The majority of customers like something that break them out of the routine shopping experience and garbage their interest. There you have it, three excellent methods that you can stop engage your customer online in a more effective manner. Those companies who are successful at engaging their customer excel in their market. You too can be one of them. Fixing the gap between customer need and delivery by prioritizing customer satisfaction. Too often the customer makes their purchase and then the delivery is scheduled and across, but there little no more contact with client. The customer experience become nil, non-existing. This is not acceptable. There must be online customer engagement before the sale, during the sale, and after the sale. How do you feedback the customer experience with your product service? How do you make sure this happen? You certainly have many tools and options to choose for. The two elements you want to the pursuit with to help your value just how big the opportunity was or is include looking at the reactive and the proactive approach. Reactive. Many companies have made excellent use of customer reaction. Jopus might be one of the best example out there. This company is obsessed with their brand and making the consumer just as obsessed by using the tools and are out there. Tools like Facebook and Twitter offer channels for your customer service regardless of what the customer want. Tools like user voice are becoming more commonly used, where feedback for product development can be gathered and where you can get information on what might be missing in your product. Very valuable information and important in customer engagement. Proactive. This is an approach that some companies are highly successful with and deal in one of them. Deal in tend into entire market then look for the happy and unhappy customers so that can proactively resolve and problem their customer are having. They actually have a command center by engaging with both happy and unhappy customers. They can clearly see what they are doing right and what they are doing wrong. These methods are not mutually exclusive to one another. They are simply individually processes that a company can use. One or both may be valuable to the company, both to require staff that are focused on customer engagement. This program will not run themselves. Customer engagement is more overlooked now than any other time in marketing history. Ironical, right now we have more tools available to use than any other time, so companies should be focusing to the tools to find out more about the customer so they can do better job of finding them, keeping them, marketing to them, branding their product to them, and creating a product their customers wants. A handful of customer companies are doing just that. What is your company doing? Google example of brand marketing that engaging your customer. When it comes to running a successful marketing campaign, it is pretty hard to argue with what Google has to say. They deliver the simplest form the service. Google doesn't just promote the spirit of it is one innovation. It also encouraging the it audience to participate in the self discovery, telling them they have the potential to make the most out of the interest out of the web. Are you targeting the correct audience? If all your marketing effort are not focusing on your customers, it is wastage of money and efforts. You need to focus on your customer and you should be able to recognize your deal customers so that you can be base your effort on those customers. What is the gender, age or job profile of your customers? What your customer abilities interested, like, dislike, etc. When you do a proper audit, you will know your customer inside out. You are busy promoting your brands with gel. You might be looking to send out a message encouraging your followers to improve your conversation ratio. For each thing you want your audience to do, you will need to have a call to action that is effective. In fact, this call to action is a key part of promoting your brand and engaging with your customer. Yet another reason why a branding audit and can be extremely beneficial. Let's have a quick look at the best brand audit process. 1. Learn how your company is placing across the internet. There, there are many tools you can use to see where your brand is being mentioned. Google search, social mention, Google alerts, etc. You should be monitoring whether the brand is going door or bad, where it need to be improved, what your customer base is, what their needs are, and whether you have any bad reviews. 2. Take time to analyze your content. This can be tedious, but since your content plays such an important role in your brand becoming established, it is worth your time to do solid SEO audit. In fact, it is mandatory. Check how your page or ranking, identify the purpose of each page, and figure out if the information is properly targeting your audience. 3. Make sure to analyze your traffic being generating on your site. It is an important part of your brand audit so that you can see how your site is attracting visitors. 4. Monitor your social media channel and see what your customers are saying. Anytime they are complaining, address them immediately. Make sure your interaction with your customer has the tone you want. Managing your online brand and your engagement with your customer means you need to always be focused on what's going on. 4 ways to improve your online customer engagement. Improving your online customer engagement is key to your overall success. Let's look at 4 ways you can use to improve your customer engagement. Value proposition. For the majority of e-commerce merchandise of any store with a website, taking advantage of value proposition can be used tool to engaging your customer. In fact, many of the experts believe it too, but vital. Your website design will leave your visitors with an impression about your product and website. Web users don't like to read unless the most, but they said you need to make sure that you clearly state with your company standing for your returning policy history of your products and anything else that is a valuable and importance. Of course, value added content is important too. Just make sure that it is written in a easy to read format and including plenty of lists. Create a product video. Many businesses have found the uh, adding product video on their website gives them a boost their conversion rate. What we know for all website is that when you add video is create a rich more impactful product page that is going to engage the interest your customer much better than statistic. They say picture is worth 1,000 words and they has been proven that true time and time again online. If you can create a product video, then least make sure that you add picture that real venture to what you talking about. Personal customer reviews. Customer reviews are very powerful, which is why they are so powerful. They can take many different forms, but it same the most powerful customer review has a picture of the face to the person making the review. So encourage your customer to post their pic when the right review. Create new categories. You want to make sure that you want to confess you visitor but should still constantly be tweak your categorized filter visitor have the best possible navigation. The navigation on your website can engage your customer or have the hitting the back button in 2 second flat. So make it use friendly also and categorize for social events or holiday that apply to your product or service. You might also add a sales page or promotion category. Don't be of afraid to play a little here. It is good to keep things alive. These four things are sure to help you do better job and engaging your customers. So why not plan on implementing them today? Does your content need more personality? We all know that there is need to relevant the targeting content for your audience, but do we have to stick to the corporate image or can be so who we are personal and perhaps even the some humor? The dependent many companies tend to play it safe and show no personality while others are much lighter and share more of the personality of those responsible for their post as long as it aligns with their tone of voice a brand. Once content is shared, it never goes away. So before you post, it is important to know your market. Then you can decide if your content should could use some personality. Then top emotion be invoice in social media content. But some summarize more than 10,000 most shareable article topic and tone. What they found is the top three emotion invoked were laughter away the assume. When you publishing your content market it engaging your psychology content which is why it's so important for your comprehensive who can open the correct emotion to make online connective and positive ones. We understand that people something become angry and this can cause damage to your brand which in turn and cause loss of sale but can be still be controversial if we are not being political or personal. It is important to balance engaging positive content that is shareable. There is no question that it can be challenging. Although each some market sector like B2B it can be easier. The question becomes should you play it safe or should you take change the push your brand boundaries by including content that is entertaining and through providing may not be agreed often by all. According to the expertise, the benefit of sharing entertaining positive content exceed the risks at listed in most access. Because it is kind of content that is likely to be shared for its value. Your visitors are likely to share this type of content with other who may not be currently following you and this can lead to a growth in followers and potential customer. An interesting topic can be an excellent icebreaker and when you add a little personality it can take your form 0 to 100 in time at least when it comes to sharing your content and that's the goal here, right? It is important to not be worried about showing personality but rather to ensure you have set boundaries around that personality so none of your followers or visitors are negatively affected on your do not negatively affects efforts your brand. Creating integrated a communication life cycle that engage your customer. If you want to keep your customer connected, you need to create some of type communications life cycle. You can't just sell to them and forget about them. In fact, you might call this is holy grail in engaging customer and keeping the connected to your company and your brand. You can take advantage of marketing automations to accomplish this task. there are a number of marketing automation tools on the market. Be sure to check them out and fit on that work for you. This is an area that is in it is fantastic, but it's being developed by some of the best in the integrated marketing automations industry like Equalise of Dialogue. Similar companies are making this kind of technology available to smaller companies. Marketo, Office, Autopilot, and Genius are three of them. Marketing automation is very larger and there are number of different platforms, each with their one strength and focus. Marketing automation will include the gathering of information, analytics, auto lead generation, conversation, and cross-department flow. This is going to save a great deal of time and it is going to make it much easier to stay connected with existing customer and potential customer. The best starting point is the lead for B2B marketers who focus on the automation of lead generation and conversion. Focusing on email that is outbound, it is simplest example of automated marketing firm there grow and grow. It is complex and has so much to offer information in constantly being added, change, update at the end of the day. You have increasable amount of knowledge to help to you keep and grow your customer database. The power is in having the ability to layer of the purchasing interaction through web form and click through behavior and then to turn down in intensity of promotion and to strengthen the offer that applicable to the consumer. You need to integrate your email communication, SMS directly, email, etc. And it is complicated variable light platform because you will design your one communication sequence of each of the segment and sub segment. Your communication with your customer need to begin before you sell and carry through long after the sale. Your communication need to completely a life cycle so that consumer are engaged from them being to the beginning end and follow. There's 5 tips to test whether you successfully engage your customer. You create a marketing campaign, but do you know if it actually working or do you just go on wing and prayer and hope for the best? Here are 5 tips you can use to test whether you are successfully engaging your customer. 1. Test the audience. You need to ensure that you Twitter followers, LinkedIn network, Facebook followers, Google followers, etc. are actually the people that you need following your business and that they are the people you plan to doing business with. If you are not posting the best content to engage your customer, it will be wastage of time and you will not reap the benefit. The same applies if you are not targeting the right people. 2. Test the content. Once you have identified who the target audience, it is time to test your content on your social media sites. You need to know what content is getting the most comment, like, share, etc. Take notes and post content that is similar in the future to keep enjoying the benefits. 3. Test the depth of content. You might get plenty of comments, tons of share or likes, but do you actually know why you are getting them? Find out if it your content that motivate them you to actually respond. This help you understanding issue at hand. 4. Test what your best time of day is. Where there you schedule your post or manual post them. You should be checking to see what time in the day your post getting the most engaging from your customer. Once you have good idea of what content is working best, then you can figure out what time is working best. 5 test each site individual. You have limited times, so it is better if you do your chase one social media network at a time. By doing so, you will not be taking on more than you can handle at a time. You need to make sure that you look at each of the site that you marketing to your customer on. That's it in a unnatural 5 tips when you put into practice can help you ensure that you are eh, engaging your customer is the best possible way and that you are maximizing your marketing to your existing client and potential client. The value of likes and share is engaging your customer. Engaging your customers online is an important undertaking of very business and one of those way to engage them through social media. The social media response is way for your customer and potential customer to be in on what is the being said on social media. When a followers like your content, it generally means that have read it, they found it interesting or agreed with it. For the most part, is a person likes something, it means it didn't offend them. A like is similar to the thumbs of. If they share your content, then generally it means that they see it is having some value to others. If you own a committee, you need to realize that takes to most amount of effort, so it is apparent that you have successfully achieved a high level of engagement and that is what your goal should be. To know that you are engaging with your customer online in an effective manner, you want to see them leaving comment on your post. If, if day after day your posters get little engagement, then you need to consider what you can do change the situation because it is apparent that you are not successful engaging. Of course, result you can measure re- relate to why you are so social media to being with. If you are there just to raise your brand awareness that you will like have to accept it getting like and share a little more. However, if you are there to engage with your followers or connections, then you will want to create a true conversation as much as possible. You need to recognize that the more you can create this two-way conversation and engage with your customer and followers, the more interesting they will be visiting your page and seeing what is a new and existing in your company world and what new product service you might have to offer. Generating this kind of interest is good for business. It takes little effort to click a like button and really not even read what's in front of you. It takes much more effort to engage on a post and that means you followers and actually paying attention to what you have to say and they find it valuable engaging to have the conversations about. That's true customer engagement online and that's what is going to grow your business and improve brand recognitions. Online customer engagement means you need insight on your customers. If you think about it, the customer that have purchased from you are special. You have their money, they like it, what you had to say and offer, and so they made a purchase. This customer now have their one unique perspective on customer engagement with your company from finding your company online to comparing you to the competition and deciding to buy from you. What happens after that? Your company might reward them, simply resell to them, or maybe even ignore them. The first thing you need to understand is how they see you based on their experience with your company. This means you need to harness the insight you have on your existing customer, and this insight could help you do a much better job of generating sales. There are numerous ways that you can generate customer insight. However, you should incorporate some of it into the day-to-day operation of your business. Other components can be carried out during the key period throughout the years. It is a good idea to ask questions around their satisfaction with their purchase, how their online customer experience was, what it was like to deal with your company. From an outside perspective, did you meet your customer requirement and expectation, etc. Here are some ways that you can use to gather this information. If you don't have a steady stream of data and refer to such, emailing out a service work great. For example, once a year, you can send out a larger questioning based on your database. It is the most common way to gather insight, and it can be done last minute when you feel like things are sliding. However, it is better if you see use the email survey to capture insight on your marketing and sales process. You can gather data from messages who do nothing on your site using tools like Kimball Q or they have low commitment. In addition to learning about your customer, it is important that you learn about those who visit and leave without making a purchase. It is better not ask all the question at once. You can overwhelm your customer by doing so. Try to build to capture relevant data at different stages of the online customer engagement so that you learn about your potential consumer as they get closer to making their purchase. Feedback and insight are an important part of understanding your online customers' engagement and determining whether it is effective or whether it has big areas should be addressed. Make sure that you make use of it. How one company use viral video to engage customer at minimal cost. Every year, three a number of digital conferences that occur sharing how they have enjoyed brand success as well as the obstacle they have overcome. Recently, at one of those digital conferences, Tesco shared their international marketing campaign and we think it is worth sharing future. The challenging that Tesco was facing their international marketing is that while they were a household name throughout the UK, they were entering the market, which including their online grocery delivery service. This did not have much awareness. In fact, Tesco would call it pro. So its goal was to raise the awareness of this service with the younger generation who generally was watching less television than previous generations. Part of Tesco solution to this was their light heated fun video and aired on YouTube. This video went viral in Poland in on time at all. This is an excellent example for how marketing campaign can use entertainment to create a message that is appealing to different culture. It is an excellent example of how you can engage your customer and potential customer on a low budget and enjoy great success. Tesco began this trial in Poland and YouTube video reached more than 740,000 views in just a few months, peaking at a more than 1.5 million the cost, only a few thousand dollars for each of the video. The benefit of exceeded the cost of producing and airing their video. In fact, it is exceed their one expectation. It is time to back away for promotion drive video that they are very expensive to product the inside thinking about creating marketing video on low budget that will engage and interest your customer. It's time to look at how your company could produce a video that was interesting and that your market wanted to watch without spending a huge amount of money. You may not have even considered video as a market tool you can take advantage of. You should more and more company are recognizing the value of video. It will remain the most popular mode of distribution, but there are others such as BMO. Don't be offered to the explore the various channel. In addition to creating and sharing this video to engage your customer, don't forget to share them through your social media networks such as Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. There are many things advantage of a fun and interesting way to engage your customers. How to make sure you engage your customer and give them a valued experience. Your customer are important to you. In fact, they are your business. So how do you make sure engage your customer and give them valued experience? Good questions. You need to layer your customer experience, but how do you do that? The best way is to build social objective that create a sense of community that operate like a hub. You have a center point and then everything follow out from them. There. There is a great way to reframe your brand relevance. Why there are two reasons you cannot consume with your other customer and create a deeper, more meaningful experience on your brand and a related subject. In doing that, you are able to resell two powerful reason. This hopefully helps to make it clearly for you. A platform for sharing one of the most powerful method to stay valuable in the consumer eye is to allow consumers to connect and share amongst themselves with other like-minded people. This creates the perfect storm because like-minded people are flocking together so you can deliver ongoing information and insight about your brand to one solid platform. Here discussion can take place and these people can share with others. You are directly engaging with your existing customer, which is so important and they enjoy a value added experience. Tones of discussion can go on here. A blog on your website is the perfect central point, and from there it can branch out to social media network that are relevant such as Twitter, Facebook, Google, Tumblr, etc. etc. You can post new blog week at the carry on through the week. Of course, more is better, but the point is this is what can get away with. Interactive tools makes use to the many interactive tools that are available to help make it easier to engage with your customer and potential customer. There are question and answer tools that help you make this decision. There are analysis tools that help you see where your audience is coming from, the whether you are not targeted. There are tools that can. Well, the list goes on. Take advantage of any of the tools that can make your life easy. Google Analytics is a must. Engaging with existing customer not only help to keep them as an active customer, it help you to learn more about this customer and how you can continue to offer them product service under your brand. Three key ways to engage your customer online. Engaging your customer online is an important part of your business success. To do so takes some work and planning on your part. Here are three key bets that are guaranteed to help you engaging better with your customer online. 1. Social media. Social media very broad array in it, including many things such as crowdsourcing, imagery, simple Twitter, social sign in for committed incentive against connected trading items, share, imperative and much more. Social media is a tool that should never be overlooked because there are so many social media network to choose from. You need to know your customer well and they choose what social media evidence would work best for your business. Use as many social media outlets as you feel will be beneficial to engage with your customer. 2. Site search. Make your site search as simple and as useful as possible. For example, toy rules are here their search setup to autocomplete. It also shows it SKU for each term and user types in. Take this example and use it on your website even on the similar scale. The accuracy of your result is very important to focus on that as your number on priority. Then make things simple for your visitor to use. Make the search of as functions as possible and their easier it make your visitors ability to find what they want the better. 3. Live chat. The call to action is important on every e-commerce site and live chat can play an important role in achieving your call to action. It is a valuable feature. It has so many uses. You can have live chat to solve customer complaint, answer question, provided inventory, listed, etc. And it can include a call to action live chat provided instance gratification from the customer and an excellent way for you to engage your customer online. However, it is important not to frustrate your customer by claiming you have live chat and then having it seldom actually available instant answer by a computer. No, live chat is better than this method. Clear state is however when live chat will be available. Make use of this three key way to engage your customer online and keep them happy. Your customers are the key to your success. To so make sure that you give engaging with them the attention is deserved.